built up into it. Just looks like some soap built up from maybe the shower. A little bit of a low spot right there where it connects to the city drain. So that would be an uphill offset pipe. So can you imagine something coming down your drain pipe here? Could be anything, any type of debris, and then it drops down in this area, makes it around this corner, and then it has to go up and over this ledge. So up and over this clay tile pipe right there, which it doesn't look like it's disconnected on the bottom there, but it very well is close to it because it's so far offset at that point. You know, you definitely don't want to be leaking any water out of that connection, so if that gets offset anymore, that could cause a problem. We could have problems trying to flush something and get up over this ledge. So yeah, I can get the camera head down and see here, this orange pipe is the city sewer. So at 29 feet, you're in the city sewer. I don't like that connection right here where it drops down. If that was a downhill offset, it wouldn't be as big of a deal, but if it's uphill, you know, whatever is building up in this area, you've only got suds and stuff right now, but if this were to dry out and say there was some debris down there, that would create a nice clog for you.